Human land use activities influence the movement of water through watersheds in many ways. Some of our activities speed up the movement of water. Solid surfaces like parking lots, sidewalks, and the roofs on houses prevent water from seeping into the ground and increase surface flow when it rains or snow melts. Roads and ditches gather up this surface flow and concentrate it into small channels, which in turn increases the flow rate or speed of moving water. These two effects combine to increase the risk of erosion and sedimentation of streams and rivers, as well as the movement of nutrients and pollution into the watershed. The increased surface flow also increases the risk of unnatural flooding because the ground is not able to absorb the fast-moving water as easily. Runoff from agriculture and human settlement often includes unnaturally high levels of nutrients, like nitrogen and phosphorus, which promotes the growth of algae. The process of increasing nutrient concentration is called eutrophication. Too many nutrients in rivers and lakes enables lots of plants and algae to grow and then decay. The bacteria that decompose the plants consume oxygen during the decay process, which in the end reduces the dissolved oxygen levels in water and can result in the death of fish and shellfish. Agricultural land use impacts freshwater sources like rivers and groundwater. For example, water is withdrawn from underground aquifers or from streams for irrigation. Agricultural runoff from fertilizer and manure contains nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus, which can negatively impact surface water, groundwater within local watersheds, and downstream where water collects, in lakes or in the ocean. British Columbia's future is in your hands. See what you can do.